Okay. So any idea about so I think till as of now I think I hope you understood what I try to explain regarding throw and catch blocks, right? So any doubts and any doubts? Okay, so today we are going to discuss about what you call a throw and rise error. So both are yeah. Any idea about this one? Yeah, both statements can be used to generate custom messages. Okay, generates the custom error. So user only writes some messages in rise or throw blocks. So throw and rise error both the statement can be used to generate custom errors. Then we will check a few examples. Then we can close it out this exception handling, and we'll go with this one triggers and all. Okay. We can see how we can use. So I'm just creating some normal statement. So the same like how we created a begin try. So begin try is the must a, for array handling. Just see that begin try and try can catch and catch. Okay. So now I'm just going to take something human resource. So nothing guys. I'm just going to delete some records in this one business entity. Just see delete from human resource dot employee where business entity greater than 1000. I know this ID is not there, but intentionally I want to raise an error. That's why. Okay. So in real time, how will check? Suppose through parameters, right? Suppose if you pass the parameter, it will check, and suppose if that ID is not there, then it will show some error. Same kind, same kind of thing. I'm going to raise error here. So here I know 1001 is not there, but intentionally I want to see some error. That's why I'm giving here. In real time, right? I already discussed yesterday. We insert some records through store procedure, right? Same thing. Delete from human resource where business ID greater than or equal to some parameter we can define. But for time being, I'm just want to show. That's why. Okay. Now the error I want to catch in catch block. So if you want to see that, first we discuss about throw. Yeah, suppose if you want to raise that error in catch block, so we need to put some error message, error number, anything you can put, okay? Is and you can write your custom message. Unable to delete record, no record found. Okay, so you can write and error state. So this is a fix, guys. So we can write anything. So just try to hit this. So why I'm getting invalid object? Because I'm in master.db. Okay, I need to change. Okay. Oh, fine. So now we just I changed my DB master to AdventureWorks. Okay. Now we can see. So did I see anything here? No, no records affected. Because one second. Otherwise, I just want to create. Yesterday I created one table, right? User details, master. Thing is, it's a directly straightforward, but we need to see. Mm, birth date. Employee department history is primary key, department ID. Okay, I want to take this. That is not working because there is no FK foreign key relation is not there. That's why. Let me check this one. Where business and department ID equal to 16. Okay, department ID equal to 16. Something I can write. Now we just see. No, it's deleting. I think there is no FK relation here. That's why it's completely deleting. Let it be. Suppose if any error is coming here, it automatically we can write this is a manual error you can put here. Okay. So why it's not coming up? One second. Otherwise, start from where department ID equal to say no, nothing is there. It's not capturing. One second. Select my zero. See. Okay, something is catching. Now you can see, right? Unable to. So guys, same thing, but I'm not able to get the proper example. But if you see this one, see whatever I written here, the same thing here is came, right? Message 5000 level 16 and something like. Because why that is not coming? Uh, okay, fine. Let it be. So these are not important because this only user. Suppose if you know something, uh, I mean, some records are not there in your table, or maybe if you want to possibly delete some records, for that we can write some custom messages in our with a throw in catch block. Okay. Suppose if you are not sure about what is the message name and all, you can just go to here. One second. This one. system messages, and you can check there. Okay, this is not required. I'm just giving you. Okay, I just put where error equal to 50,000 something. So it's not there. That's why I written as a custom one. Okay. So if you are unsure about what is the error name, just go to here and you can check. Sometimes it will give you only error number. So then you just go here and you just check it out from error message table. Okay. So if you know where, so 50,000 is a custom error message because this is that is doesn't exist in our system table. That's why I'm putting here. You can put anything 50,001 or something like that. Okay. Like just see. See, division by 0, the error number is a 3601, something like that we can see. Clear? The throw is nothing but that custom error will written by developers. Okay. I'm not getting the proper example. Let me see. So suppose if you want to rise in a throw, just syntax for that. So nothing, just put a throw error message or error number. Sorry, error number. Error number is your custom number. You can put anything. Okay. Message also is your own, and state also you can simply put as a one or anything. So when do you use, any idea when do you use these custom errors? So specifically if you know something while creating store procedure or anything, so that time you can define it. Otherwise you can just okay with the begin try, and you know right how to catch that error in catch block. You know right. So we will see one more error for rise and error, then we will close it out, guys. Okay. Yeah. Just tell me what is the rise and error? Any idea? Rise error? Okay. Yeah. So both are very similar or not? The throw and rise and error. No, I'm just asking. So both are very similar, right? So yeah. So here, what you're doing, whatever you're getting the error, you're just passing into the catch block, and you're manually throwing wherever with the throw. So rise and error also same thing. So we will see some errors, then we will go. Okay. Just observe this one again. Try. Intention, I'm writing something. Just see. Rise error. So here I need to write something. Then the same thing I want to catch in my catch block. Okay. Error rise in catch block. Try block. So what I'm writing, this is a message text. So you can write as a message text. And what I need to write, CVRT. I'm putting some 16 as a CVRT. Okay. And a state. One second. Fiction is a state, and one is the, sorry, section is the CVRT, one is the state. So 1 second. Okay, so I'm just closing here. I'm just trying to give you some syntax here, then we will see some one more example. Okay, and try. Yeah, what I need to do now, I want to catch that error. Begin. Okay, catch. Yes, tell me. I need to define error number and error message and error severity. How can I do that? So we declared already. We discussed about how to declare variables, right? So I'm just writing a variables here for char of max, and what I need to declare error severity. So error severity, and what is the last one? Uh, int error state, right? Error state. Okay. Yeah, I'm just declaring here. Then I want to set that variable to actual message. How can I set that? So we know, right? Here you can set, or you can define into some other way with the select statement as well. We already discussed this one, right? If you are unsure about, just go to once. Yeah. So I'm just declaring here with what do you call our system on error message, right? Error severity. What is this error severity? Right? So so in throw you can write our custom own messages, but when you define in a rise and error, no, it should mention with the system messages only, system error messages. The only difference is this one, guys. In a throw, you can write a custom messages, but when you define a rise and error, no, even though if you write, we need to define this system messages. Okay, system errors, error lines. Okay, the only difference you can see. Yeah. Now, what happened this one? So now what I need to do? So I declare the messages and I want to see that. How can I see that? Again, I need to write. Yeah, guys, tell me what I write in here. Rise error and our custom messages, right? But same thing I need to write with rise error with this messages. Rise error and whatever I declared variables. Okay, now you can say rise. Sorry, rise error. Yeah, tell me now. What is my variable name? See here. Error messages. Error severity and error state. Okay, that's it. Is that done? Once it's done, what I need to do? And catch. Okay. So now we just try to execute this. Syntax rise error. Okay. So what happened to this one? 16 comma 1. Okay. Yeah, now we can see and catch. Okay, fine. Now we can try to execute this. Incorrect syntax, raise an error. Why? Okay, raise an error. 1 second. Hmm. No, syntax is the correct only, right? What is error severity? Okay, here, huh? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. But incorrect syntax here it's showing. Let me execute this. 1 second. Raise error. Syntax raise error correct only. Okay, let me. So and catch is correct. I'm going to check in. No, it looks correct only, but let's check. No, this is the correct only. Let me check double cross check. Something alright. Select the one. 1 second. Okay. Error raised in the try block. Expecting. Okay, let's see. Now we can execute this. Error raised in try block. But syntax and everything is the correct only, guys. Let me check double click. Begin try correct only. Then what will be error here? So 1 second. Let me write some custom one. So the syntax is the same, but not sure why it's not something. So begin try. And 1 second, guys. Let me write to something. Is error. Error. 1, 1. So it itself is showing error. Huh? Let it be, then I will take some more examples and I will give you 1 second. I have something in my mind. Check. Say something is came right, but same thing you write an error. See, now you can see. So yes. So first I'm trying to declare the try block. Okay, this is where I think we mentioned something. A rise error, syntax is error. Okay. Okay, that is a syntax error. Okay. So now clear? Guys, are you able to see now? So that is a syntax error actually. I actually taken a e extra. That's why it's not giving. Okay. Something happened in this block. That should come to again catch block, and in catch block it will catch and the message will print here. Okay. Now we can clear. So that is my mistake, guys. So maybe uh, so I mentioned one e extra. That's why it's giving me error. Now it's clear, right? How can we write that error? So we can take some real-time examples, then we can close it out. Sorry. Okay. Now I want to create one more procedure, and we will see. Okay. So I'm just creating one store procedure. Create a proc. Something called as a. Hey guys, tell me procedure. I want to create in AdvanceWorks some dbo.sales or something. Okay. Add employee ID integer. I want to add something. Okay. Oh, let me create one table. Yesterday, what table we created? Any idea? User, right? Details. Okay. I will take this one only here. Yes, let me write this one. Okay, as first I'm creating a normal structure, then we can see. Begin try. Okay, rise error. So I just want to insert some data into some dummy table. Let me see. Some okay. Let me write some dummy structure, then you will see. And try, and begin catch. Begin catch, and in catch I want to read the errors. What table yesterday I written on table, right? Into for error where I need to copy it yesterday. Did you remember that? DBO dot from DB errors, right? Errors. I want to insert those error values here. Okay, just this only, right? Okay, I'm just copying this one. This. No, first I'm just creating a structure, guys. Once I created, then I will write a business logic. Wait, okay. So what I need to know and catch, and before that, so the same thing. Whatever I declared here, same thing I need to put here. Select error messages, and this I need to define this too. So and catch. Uh, so before that, what I did before declare once I declared and select what I did here. The previous example. Did I declare this one or not? So again. Okay, now we can write a business logic. Yeah, guys, just tell me what I want to take some. I want to insert some records into. Yeah, guys, I want to insert some records into our table. What is our table name actually? Yesterday we created one table, user details, right? Okay. Before that, let me check. Start from user details. Yeah, guys, I want to insert some records into this table, and I want to write some custom messages. Okay, just check it now. Um, Employee ID, only one I will take now. Yes. So I want to write some custom logic here. Yeah, just tell me in begin try. I need to write. Yeah, guys. Suppose I want to see if that user doesn't exist here. I want to catch that error. How can we write? Guys, any idea? So suppose I want to pass employee ID. Okay, 1234 here is there. Okay, if the user doesn't exist, then I want to raise a custom measure. How can we do that? I want to logic business logic. Simple. You just tell me in simple terms also is fine. How can you check that? Where employee ID equal to user ID or user ID equal to user ID or something. Huh? So and that's what I'm asking. I need to hear from you. So how can you write? I want to check that if condition. Select count of one from the table, right? Master table. Yeah. Now you can tell me where user ID. Yeah, user ID. So, but if how that if condition is satisfied, so it just put some values here. So suppose if I take that count one, it will give four. But I'm putting here if I want to match with the value, I need to match with some records, right? Suppose if it exists or not. So what I need to put, right? Is that correct or not? So uh, first it will write something count the count of suppose the user ID is there. It will return as a 1. 1 equal to 0, so false, right? Suppose, so right, if condition, how it works. So first it is just count the value, okay? The count is a matching or not here. Intentionally, I want to pass whichever user not exists in our table, doesn't exist in our table. So I want to match with the 0 records, okay? If 0 is equal to 0, then it will raise an error, correct? So now I want to write a custom message. User doesn't exist, okay, and I want to write as a severity and state. That's it. So now I want to capture that value. So again, I want to insert as well also. First I'm just checking, and if it doesn't exist, then yes, then it will insert into our user table, okay. User ID, I think user ID we take identity column, right, yesterday. Then we can take a username then. So user ID actually we taken as identity, right? We cannot check that, right? It's auto increment, right? Guys, guys, are you able to follow or not? I'm just asking. So user ID we taken as identity column. It automatically auto increment. So in this case we cannot check. That's why I'm just checking as this one. Okay, VARCHAR max. So I'm just checking username, UName, right? name equal to username. Yeah, now we can say user doesn't exist. Okay, I'm not writing anything here. And try and in- so in begin catch. So and try and begin catch. I'm just declaring that error message here. Okay. Now we just try to execute the store procedure and we can see. Uh, okay, just check it out. This one. So my store procedure got executed. So how can I check that? How can I execute my store procedure? Exec. Yeah, guys. The procedure name and username. I want to pass some username, right? So username. I want to check some Lalita because it doesn't exist, right? So Control X. I can see. See some custom message came. User details. User does not. It giving that store procedure and details also came, right? And you just check it out this DBO error table as well. So master, right? Sorry. So case change. You say. What? Check. Check. The table we created in a master table or adventure works? Adventure works, huh? Errors where we created? Adventure works, huh? Master. Okay, adventure works. So it's a captured or not, guys? See, the procedure user does not exist. Same or not? So you can see the rise and error. You can put the user custom error messages. Okay, usually you'll use only begin try, but rise and error a developer prospect whenever you want to see some whenever you want to debug the procedure or some errors, you can put that this one. What do you call? So suppose if you want to debug any procedure or something, some errors are there. For that kind of time, we can use a throw and rise and error, guys. Okay. So in real-time scenarios, you won't use because application level, if you put that, it will throw in error messages. That's why you won't use. For custom error message, that time only we can use the throw and error. Clear till here? So the only difference is a throw and error. Throw and rise and error. When you put a rise and error, you must define error messages, error severity, and error stated. Wherever throw, that is our custom one. You don't need to put anything. It's your own choice. Okay, clear? Yeah, clear until here. So yeah, that's all, guys. So error handling. I'm closing here itself. I no need to take much classes here. So I will discuss about the triggers now. Any idea about triggers? Oh, one second.